Okay. First step is to have your music, which I already have, but you can't see. Second step is to have some snacks. And then we can get into actually constructing the window. So I got my supplies from Dollar General and Family Dollar, and they're pretty affordable, as you can see, about $1. Goes up to like 3 or 4 depending on what you get and how big the bouquet is. And what I'm gonna do is just take all the flowers off of the stem, and you can leave them like they are, or you can use the leaves on your window, whatever you really want to do. I don't know if I'm gonna actually use these leaves. I think I'm gonna use some on another bouquet, but that is the first step. So just pluck your flowers and start prepping. Okay, coming up, this is all the prep work, and I have 2 assistants with me today. My sis Twinnie, Christina, and my cousin Deldra.
Yes,
they cannot see you as you're on the sides of the camera. But Christina, assistant, will you please hold up the blue flower bouquet? Okay, great. Now show them the leaves. And that was a $3 bouquet. They're pretty big and they're worth the price, I believe.
Don't mind my nails, y'all. I know I'm looking busted, but I'll come back next time and I'll be proper. I got you.
Okay, so these are the leaves that I think I will use on the window, but we'll have to see how I organize that first. All right. Next step.
I want to put a big sink right here.
A big sink? Mm-hmm. What kind of sink?
Like a tank sink. Oh, like a laundry room sink.
Okay. So the supplies you'll need for this video are scissors, a hot glue gun, which I've already plugged up, maybe 15 glue sticks, probably more. A pack would be best. These were like $1.50 from Dollar General, cheap. And we've plucked the flowers. Here, you can put that over there for me. And we will just be good.
What do we have?
So I wanted to start with the leaves first so that I could arrange the flowers around the leaves.
Okay.
Right. So back this up just a little bit.
Are you gonna how are you gonna have these?
I'm not the glue down. So I am going to, let's shift this way a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bend these leaves, these huge ones, and they are $2 at Dollar General. And I think I'm going to start like that.
Wait, are we doing a color code?
No. Okay. For right now, we're just doing the leaves. Right. To get them in the order that we want to.
No, I'm just sticking it in, just so, you know what I mean? You can stick it and move it around and then glue last. Like stick in, and last, so you can move stuff around.
And that one can go like that.
We gotta make sure that we get the
Scragglies. I'll get that
in. And then how do you want this side to be?
Okay. I want to secure this one also. So you can actually lift it up.
How can I do it?
Yeah.
Stick.
Careful not to get it on the table.
Put more support in the center. Okay. Right there.
We got some over here and here.
Lift it up. Okay.
Right here.
I want the big ones like right next to the leaves. Yes. So that can go like right there. Yes. That can go right there. And then let's secure this. Let's secure the other side first before we put that one down, so that we know exactly where we want to place it. And put it this way a little bit so it's in frame. Do the exact same thing we did earlier. There you go. Move it back a little bit. Up. Move that hand. Your other hand. Bring this back a little bit. Right there. Yeah, can I move it? Where you going?
We're dropping to the next house.
Which house?
I don't know which one it is.
Oh, she's doing the quality checks today? I think I'm gonna pull this one back out because that's not coming back out. That's not coming back out. So I'll just glue another one like right here, right next to it, because I can barely see this, and the whole point of gluing them together is because I think that the colors accent each other and they look gorgeous. Okay. That was great. That was perfect. And we are almost halfway through with our window. Okay, hi guys, we're back. I had to take a little break to do some errands, and we will continue where we left off. And always remember, if you have to leave your station, remember to unplug your hot glue gun. But I'm going to let this warm up, get back hot, so that we can continue with gluing on the flowers, and we'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, we are halfway. Oh no, I turned off the music. Okay, but as you I'm not fully sure what I want to do. Those blue flowers are not going to stay where they are at the moment. And just, I had to go buy some more flowers today, so I'm going to continue. And I'm thinking about doing the borders with some type of pebble, but I don't want that added weight to make it heavy. So I'm just trying to see what's going to be good for right now. Alright guys, here is the final touch, the final product, and I have to say it has blown my mind. When I come forward, I've added some dark colors right here to contrast with the lighter colors. I've added white as accents, and in the center it's the focus of the piece. The white is just supposed to add like a pop of color, as well as the light blue and some of the lilac, as well as give contrast with the darkness in the back. We will come back in the morning so that we can see this in daylight instead of at night and on my phone. Okay, so my awesome assistant, Christina, she has provided some lighting from my ring light, so this is the best crisp picture that I could get. And I'm so happy she saw the light, because now we see the true beauty and the true quality of this art piece. So as I was saying earlier, I wanted the focus to be in the center and then to work your way out. I love that I added the accent leaves on the ends, and I gave pops of blue, pops of white, and yellow. I added these darker petals in the back so that they add some contrast with the lighter colors. I love it.